my name is Nick Mancini, and I did a presentation on antimatter and how it could potentially power a spaceship to Mars. Okay, a little background information is antimatter is also known as dark matter. It's composed of antiprotons, which have all the same properties as a regular proton, except it's negatively charged. Antineutrons and positrons. Positrons were formerly called anti-electrons, but they shortened the name to make it easier to pronounce. It's considered to be unstable everywhere in the universe, and it's what space is made up of. And it is considered to be the opposite of matter. Okay, the discovery, the positron was discovered by Carl Anderson on September 9, 1932. The antiproton was discovered by a machine called the Bevatron, which is located on the France-Switzerland border. On April 1st, 1954, the antineutron was discovered by the same machine on October 3rd, 1956. All three of those statistics came from the CERN website. CERN is the European Council for Nuclear Research. As stated earlier, is located on the Franco-Swiss border near a city called Geneva. Founded in 1952, which is when they created the machine, the Bevatron. At their headquarters, basically what they do is create antimatter. They use the machine. It shoots particles together at a ridiculous speed, and they create antimatter when they meet in the middle. Okay, an antimatter spaceship. NASA is currently working on a spaceship that could be powered to Mars with antimatter. The reason they're doing this is because it would take tons upon tons of rocket fuel to get a spaceship to Mars, which wastes our resources on Earth. It would take about 10 milligrams of antimatter to create the same amount of power, which is equivalent to half of an M&M. The main problem with doing this is it causes harmful gamma rays. As you know, people cannot handle a high amount of gamma rays, X-rays. It's not good for your body, causes cancer, etc. NASA has created a subgroup called the NASA Institute for Advanced Concepts, or NIAC. This group is working on a new design for an antimatter-powered spaceship that avoids this nasty side effect by producing gamma rays with much lower energy, and that came from an article by Brian Dunbar. The final conclusion would be the creation of an antimatter spacecraft that does not cause harmful gamma rays could help humans travel further into space and help us learn more about the universe that we live in. Here are my sources, and that's all. Thanks. Thank you so much.